Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance video. Today we're going to take a look at what you should look for when hiring a company to service my major appliance or HVAC. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. You may find yourself in a position where you need to hire a technician, but there are so many local companies offering service. Here are some tips to find the best one for you. First, always check the online ratings from more than one review site. Try to look for companies that have a decent quantity of reviews, at least 15 to 20 or more. If a company has 1 to 4 reviews, you can't quite get a good enough idea of the customer satisfaction. While some new startup companies have only 1 to 3 reviews, yet they have a 5-star rating, it is still advisable to find a company that has been in business for at least 2 years to gauge their legitimacy. You are already facing a broken appliance, and a bad technician can make that situation even worse. And again, always check multiple online review sites such as Google, Yahoo, and Yelp before making your final decision. Next, look for family-owned and operated companies. In most cases, they're more reliable to the customer, as these businesses seem to be more receptive to customer service issues. They also want to keep the family reputation intact, especially second and third generation companies. Lastly, look for service companies that are factory certified for the products that you need repaired. If your appliance is Whirlpool or Samsung, LG, Trane, Carrier, or any popular brand, there is a good chance that you may find a local company that specializes in that brand. Technicians that are factory certified have access to much more information than non-factory certified technicians, such as having access to your product service manual, service bulletins, and parts breakdowns. While you assume this information is readily available to all technicians, manufacturers ensure quality warranty work by providing these items only to their factory certified companies. A certified technician also has access to technical phone support directly with the manufacturer. Many companies that are factory certified, in most cases, have technicians that are background tested, have their driving record checked, and are drug tested annually. So if you need service and follow these tips, you will likely be happy with the end results. Hey, and if this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.